float the San Juan River. We're gonna go, I assume, 30 miles or so, 3 nights, 4 days.
You guys ready for a good time?
We're out here on the San Juan ready to get this shit done, y'all.
You guys ready?
Hey, did anybody put something orange on my boat? Something orange fell off my boat into the water and I have no fucking idea what it was.
Hey guys, this is for the beginning of my YouTube video. Join us on the San Juan River.
10 likes and I'll kick him in the dick.
We are en route to the next camp spot. As you can see, this is a special place sacred to both ancient and modern Native Americans. We can go straight into here.
Jamming a Joji dog.
He just comes out of the wood with little smokies and big old fucking sticks to cook them on. You would, Thomas.